Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start right away by checking prerequisites. Make sure the phone has more than 20% battery and you know your lock PIN or pattern. Once done, press and hold the power key for 2 seconds, then tap Restart. If Restart is unavailable, power off and boot normally. You do this because safe mode is triggered by third-party apps at startup. Rebooting without changes reveals whether the issue persists. Make sure to watch the boot sequence to confirm whether safe mode still appears in the corner. If the phone still boots into safe mode, you proceed to diagnose. Go to Settings, then Apps, and sort by install date to see recent entries. Uninstall the last 3 to 5 apps you added or updated because conflicts often cause safe mode. Next, clear the cache of any suspect app and reboot. You do this to isolate the culprit. Removing a bad app often restores normal boot. If an app won't uninstall, disable it temporarily, and then reboot to test whether safe mode disappears. Finally, reboot the device after uninstalling or disabling problematic apps and check for normal startup. If safe mode persists, use Setting System Reset options, Reset App Preferences, or Reset Settings. This preserves data while restoring defaults. Only if nothing works, consider a factory reset, but back up your data first. One key troubleshooting tip: if safe mode returns immediately, test with a freshly created guest profile or a different SIM to rule out a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.